You never seen someone submit an IRD return so fast. If you are a last minute person, just like me, you are looking at a pay in slip with the due date of 15th August 2024, that's tomorrow, received from the IRD of Sri Lanka for the first time in your life and wondering how to avoid this penalty, then this video is for you. Here is how we did it in less than 5 minutes. The slip can be received by an individual taxpayer or a company. In this short video, I will run through a few quick details about what and how we went about this, because we searched all over the internet and did not find anything that explained it this well. Let's understand a few important details in the slip first of all. Tax type. My one said CIT, which stands for Corporate Income Tax. And then there's a payment period code which reads 24251 in my slip. If you are holding a similar one, this means a time period from 1st of April 2024 to 31st of March 2025, also known as a financial year. And the last digit 1 stands for the first installment. Based on the period, it should be clear to you by now that the request is made for a future period, meaning it's going to be an estimate. In simple terms, IRD is requesting you to pay a first installment of estimated tax amount for the year 2024-2025. Before you take that slip you received through the post and try to go make a payment, you need to first log into the IRD portal using your TIN, that's the tax identification number, your SSID, that's a staff ID, and your passwords, and fill out the form known as Statement of Income Tax, also known as SET. If you don't have these in place, let me know and I'll see if I can help you out with a video on that. Let's have a look at what we did in this SET form filling. The form has 3 sections to begin with. Simple and straightforward. Part 1, calculation of estimated income tax payable. We updated our sources of income in this field. For example, if you take the field business income, that doesn't mean all your ins. It means your ins minus your expenses, which could be equal to your business profit. And part 2 includes a section called computation of estimated tax liability. Yes, I know these are very complicated sounding words, but it just means that it will automatically calculate the details. So then we updated our category of taxable income. And in this case, it's the drop-down menu that ends with standard tax rate for companies. And then the estimated taxable income from details, part 1, and the system will auto-populate the sums and calculations in the rest of these relevant fields. A quick tip, always you have the IRD resources at hand when in doubt. So you can go to useful information in IRD, go to tax chart and tax rate for companies to double check the tax rates. And you can go to e-services, overviews and quick guides, then filing of return and how to file a statement, and then select estimated tax payable or SET to double check on these steps. Part 3 is the declaration. Here we updated all the details as given in the IRD application forms before, and submit and save a copy. For saving a copy, you select print because there is no option to save, but select print and select the PDF option for later reference. When in doubt, always call IRD officials, and the number is 1944 to get anything clarified within their business hours. And they were pretty helpful to us in our many calls to them. Believe me, we went through a lot of research and calls and YouTube videos such as this to gather this information that allowed or let us do it in 5 minutes. Can you imagine? That's the difficult part. Now you are left with the payment. you can just visit the IRD e-services payments and refund and check how you can do it both online or through the payslip that you have received, and make the payment for the first installment and insert all the required information. Happy taxing from a first time SCET submitter to another first time SCET submitter. Hope you get through it. Let me know how it went. Consider subscribing if you found anything useful.